Hello everyone. If you look at a cyclone on the weather report, it looks like spiral. How does it work? Cyclone or hurricane develops over water like sea or ocean near the equator region. The heat of the sun vaporizes lots of water and the hot water also warms the air. Hot and light water vapor rises up along with warm air, and cooler air from the surroundings rushes to take in that place. We already know that the warm air rises up and the difference of air pressure causes the movement of air. These two phenomena causes wind, monsoon, and it also causes cyclone. But when thunderstorms develop in hot, humid tropical areas like India very frequently, the rising temperatures produce strong upward rising winds. These winds carry water droplets upward where they freeze and fall down again. The swift movement of the falling water drops along with the rising air create lightning and sound. It is a thunderstorm. But sometimes this thunderstorm turns into a monstrous cyclone. Tropical cyclones are like giant engines that use warm moist air as fuel. The warm moist air rises upward from near the surface, leaving behind an area of low pressure below. Now, we know that water takes in heat to turn into vapor, and when vapor turns back into water, it releases heat. Water vapor that rose up releases heat in atmosphere during condensation. This released heat warms the air around it, so the air pressure falls at that height. Air from the surrounding areas with higher air pressure rushes towards the low pressure zone. Then that air becomes warm and rises with more water vapor. That water vapor again releases heat during condensation and warms up air around it, causing further drop of pressure. So, water vapor acts as a fuel. More and more air rushes to the center of the storm. Thus, a cycle is formed. More air comes in, rises with water vapor, and the water vapor releases more heat, acting as a fuel to heat the air. The chain of events ends with the formation of a very low pressure system with very high speed winds revolving around it. It is this weather condition that we call a cyclone. When cyclone reaches land, it gets lesser water vapor, so it starts to become weaker. That is why coastal areas experience more fierce cyclones, and cyclone weakens as it moves further inland because of lack of fuel, that is water vapor. Now, how to stay safe during such a cyclone? We will learn about that in the next class. Until then, bye-bye.